Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Instagram highlights to level up your personal brand. Let's get started. First, create an Instagram stories that show your personality or expertise. Think categories like all about yourself, your testimonial, your projects, daily tips, or more. This give your audience a clear idea of what you do. Then, after posting your story, tap highlight at the bottom. Create a new highlight and give it a short title like if it's work, tips, or it's all about myself, and it will appear on your profile permanently. Now, polish your profile with custom covers. You can go to Pinterest app to download aesthetic covers or go to Canva to use design icons that match your aesthetic. Clean, consistent covers make your profile look more professional. And that's how to use Instagram highlights for personal branding. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.